Hello. I wish everybody a good Sunday evening, and hopefully you could enjoy your Sunday, how it was, and how are your experience from this Sunday? It's the 30th of November, and we are in 2025. I could just demonstrate this, showing this browser. It works, so you can just enter which year do we have. Let's see. Okay, it's not working. Which year? We are in 2025. This is our year. This is nice. And you will find this setting for the browser just by clicking in your scene, in sources, and then click on window capture. And there you can select or you will just create a new let's say window capture. You can just take this what is like proposing, and then just select the window. If it's like the Chrome or if it's a Firefox, you can just pick it and then OK. And that's all. And then you have the browser integrated in your OBS. So see you next time when it's the new OBS tutorial. Bye bye.